Now, I realize I haven't documented much in quite a while. Certainly not this season, except for coming out and becoming enraged about the clear cutting and the damage to our property. So I'm gonna real quick try to do something positive here. I guess finishing the mowing. After what felt like almost a year of trying to get some local people to come and dig a trench for us, it finally happened a few weeks ago, so that we can finally get our new electricity. And I'm walking the path of the trench. He brought some kind of small backhoe, and I wasn't here to see it. Hega was. And anyway, the local municipal electrical company is upgrading all the power. For that part of it's free, so they're bringing in some new three-phase lines. So that'll come to here, and then we have requested it to be underground from here to our house, which we incur, costs for that. But so the line will come down to a box here and into that red conduit there, and then there's going to be some kind of a tie back to hold the line, to hold the telephone pole level, because I guess this line's a lot heavier. We're gonna have more electricity in our cabin than we have at our apartment in Oslo. More electricity than we would know what to do with, and we're not going to be doing very much with it. So anyway, it feels good, I guess. So this had to be, I forgot how deep it had to be. At least 60 centimeters, or maybe a meter deep. He probably dug it. They laid that thing down in here with a ground wire, and then covered it back up. So we've got a big scar. We bought grass seeds today, and now I dug this trench by hand, which was laborious, and we finally got it laid in here, and I am now backfilling it with all of these rocks, and we'll put some of the dirt on there, and it's going to be a fantastic thing not to have to cross this moat every time we try to bring something in and out of the cabin. But that's it. It's Sunday. No, it's Saturday. It's like June 30th or something. We came up last night, and we'll stay again tonight and go back tomorrow. We're without the kids, but we did bring. We brought one kid. I'll probably, hopefully I'm going to get some more done tomorrow. Today's been eaten up with getting supplies and mowing the yard. And somehow we slept until 9 o'clock, which is incredible. But it's so pretty right now. I think we're a little bit lazy. All right, that's it. Daisy, should I end with you? Yes.